Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video we write a Python program to count and display the number of vowels, consonants, uppercase, lowercase letters in a string. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel because out of 100 views, only 2 to 3 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So we have to write a Python program that counts and displays the number of vowels, consonants, uppercase and lowercase letters in a string. And this is the example. If the string is Python, I should be getting the number of vowels as 1. Okay, lowercase o is the only vowel. Number of consonants are 5, y, t, h, n, and uppercase p. Number of uppercase characters are 1, p, and number of lowercase characters are 5. Okay, so if you want to verify the output, you should be getting the sum of these two, okay, equal to these two. Okay, because characters can be either consonants or vowels, and similarly characters can be either lowercase or uppercase, taking consideration of the fact that we have vowels and consonants for both uppercase and lowercase. Okay, and this question is in the suggested list of practical programs for class 12th CBSE computer science. So this is the list, and this is where they ask you to solve this problem. So I will be solving the other problems in the list as well. So as and when they are solved and uploaded, you can find the links of this videos in the description of this video. So make sure you check the description of this video for helpful links. Also, all these questions, all these problems have been solved already in Hindi on my CodeWithBK Hindi channel. So if you're better comfortable with Hindi, you can check out all my content and videos on my CodeWithBK Hindi channel. The link for the channel you can find in the description of this video. Alright, let's get back to the coding part. Okay, so you have been given a string and you have to count vowels, consonants, lowercase, uppercase letters. So I have written a function prototype. This is the function name accepts a string, and you have to print the output like this. Okay, so how do we solve this? Is we iterate this string from left to right, pick up each character in the string and check if it is a vowel, consonant, number, uppercase letter or lowercase letter, and we take counters. We increment the counters as and when we find this type of characters. Okay, and in Python we don't have a separate data type for a character. In Python, a character is basically a string with a single character inside. There is no separate type for a character. A character is a string itself in Python. It's just a string with a single character inside. Okay, to store the counts of each. Okay, so we have num vowels set to 0, num consonants is set to 0, consonants we have num uppercase is 0, we have num lowercase is 0. Okay, we iterate the string, so we do for ch in s. Okay, if this ch is a vowel. Okay, so how do you check if ch is a vowel? Ch has to be a, e, I, o, u, both upper and lower case. So I can have if condition like this, ch equal to a or ch equal to lowercase a. Okay, and similarly for a, e, I, o, u. Okay, but what I'll do, I'll choose an alternative method. I'll say I'll take a string vowels that contains all the vowels, both uppercase and lowercase. Alright, so this if condition is one way. So let me just complete this if condition. You can say or a, e, I, o, u. So a, e, I, o, u, both upper and lower case. This is one condition you can have. This is all in one single line. Okay, so you can have this, or you can simply say ch in vowels. Okay, this condition basically check if this character is within this vowels string or not. So vowels string is made up of only vowels. So if ch is a part of this, it means it is a vowel. Okay, so I do number of vowels plus equal to 1. Okay, so if this ch is a vowel, increment the number of vowels by. Okay, then we need to check for consonant. So a lot of times you do things like this. You do else I will do number of consonants incremented by 1. Okay, because sometimes you start thinking in a way that if it is not a vowel, it is a consonant. It does not work that way. Okay, because if suppose ch contains a question mark or a digit, okay, so this condition is going to be false. question mark digit is not a vowel, but you will consider the question mark or digit as a consonant, which is false as well, right? So to check for consonant, we say a character is a consonant if it is a letter and not a vowel. Okay, it has to be an alphabetical letter and not a vowel. So we say if ch, we use is alpha, okay, method that basically you can see returns true if the string is an alphabetic string. That is, if ch is the only character, it contains an alphabet, it will return true. Okay, and not a vowel. So ch is not in vowels. Okay, so we say num consonants plus equal to 1, and you can say increment the number of consonants by 1. Okay, it is an alphabetical character and not a vowel. Okay, then you check for lowercase and uppercase character. So lowercase characters first. So how to check for lowercase? You can use the inbuilt function islower. Okay, so if you take a pointer here, returns true if the string is a lowercase string, false otherwise. So our ch is a string with a single character. Okay, if it is a lowercase, it will return true. If it is an uppercase, if it is anything else, uppercase or any other character, it returns false. Okay, so we say increment the number of lowercase letters, lowercase by 1. So I say num lowercase plus equal to 1. And similarly, I will have to do for uppercase letters. Uppercase letters also using an inbuilt function is upper number of uppercase characters num uppercase plus. Okay, we remove this pass. Okay, so in case you forget what were the inbuilt methods, you could do something like this. You can say uppercase letters, okay, and take a string containing all the uppercase letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, and then we can use something like this, that it is an uppercase character if, okay, you can say ch in uppercase letters. Okay, and you can leave this out. Okay, so I'll show you, you can use either, and similarly you can have for lowercase characters as well. So you can say lowercase, and instead of this you can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, and similarly you can do if ch in lowercase character letters, I'll do. Okay, commenting this out as well. Okay, so your part where you find the count of each is done. You say print details. The string, first string is, okay, I'll say S. Okay, when you put a comma, when you're printing, it automatically adds a space, so you'll have a white space after colon and then the string. Okay, then I'll print the number of vowels first. Yeah, number of vowels first, right? Number of vowels. Okay, so I'll say print f number of vowels, num vowels. Okay, similarly I have to do consonants, num consonants. Okay, then you have to do num lowercase and uppercase, then number of lowercase letters, uppercase letters. So num uppercase and uppercase, num lowercase. Okay, right, so my function is done. So I will be testing my function with these strings. So the string will be printed along with the count of each type. Running this now. Okay, so I will bring myself here, the Python 3 count cat types, right? That's the name of the file. Yeah. Okay, so for Python you have number of vowels 1, consonants 5. Okay, 1 plus 5, 6, lowercase letters 5, uppercase 1, that is in the example. Okay, so for programming, vowels are 3, so O, A and I 3, rest are consonants. Okay, so 3 plus 8, 11, 10 plus 1, 11. Uppercase letters is only P, and then rest of them are lowercase letters. Similarly, in this case, we have 3 vowels, 7 consonants. So O, E, I are vowels, and others are consonants. So 3 plus 7, 6 plus 4, and you can say this exclamation is not a part of either vowels, consonants, or uppercase or lowercase letters. It falls in none of them. Okay, that's why they are total 10 letters, and one exclamation. So 7 plus 3 10 plus 4 10. Similarly, in this case, this white space is not a part of either of these. Okay, this is my first name, last name, both have 10 characters. So 7 and 13 20, 18 plus 2 20, which is okay. All right, so this was your Python program. Okay, let me just do this part as well. Okay, you'll get the same output. Okay, so clear. Okay, same output. Okay, 3 plus 7, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 13 plus 2, 3 plus 8, 3 plus 11 plus 5, 5 plus 1. Okay, all right. So this was the Python program to count the number of vowels, consonants, uppercase, lowercase characters in the string. Okay, again, this problem and the other problems of CBSE suggested practical problems are already solved on my CodeWithBK Hindi channel, so you can check it out. Let me know your thoughts about that as well. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful and you like this video. So if there's any doubt, there's a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I always try to answer all the comments, and you can also let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or the concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.